there, it's Caitlin. So today I created this rainbow look using the James Charles Morphe palette. So if you'd like to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, and we are going to jump into the James Charles Morphe palette. The first shade that we are going to go in with today is this dark purple down here called Escape. I'm just going to grab a brush like this and pack that onto my brush. And I'm just going to go in the crease with this. I'm going to grab this pink shade down here called Skip, and I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm just going to blend that right over the purple. I'm going to go back in with this brush again, and I am going to pick up this yellow shade right here called B. And I'm just going to lightly place that right on top of that pink. Okay, now I'm going to grab this red shade right here, and that is called You're Kidding. And still using this brush, I'm gonna just pick up just a little bit of it because I kind of just want to put it a little bit in between that pink and that yellow, but I don't want like the red to be super noticeable. I don't want it to be like, oh, there's red right there. I kind of just want the red to go in with the pink here. Now that I've done my other eye and cut my crease, I'm going to go into this red shade again, which is called You're Kidding, with just a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to pack that onto the brush, and that is going to go on the inner corner here. Okay, so the next shade that I will be going in with is this orange shade right here. It's called 518, and I'm just going to use that same flat shader brush and get that orange on there, and it is just going to go right next to the red here. And the next shade I'm going to go into is this yellow color called B, and that is just going to go right next to the orange. Next shade I'm going to go into is this light green down here, and this one is called Social Blade. And that is just going to go right next to the yellow here. The color I'm going to go into is this dark green right here, which is called Daddy. And that's just going to go right next to this light green. I'm going to pick up this dark blue down here called Cola, and that's just going to go right next to the dark green. And then we are going to go back to this dark purple that we used at the beginning, and that is just going to go on the outer corner next to that dark blue. And then I went over all of those colors again just one more time just to make sure that they were all bright enough and blended enough so that there were no harsh lines. And so now I'm going to do my face makeup and put on my eyelashes and everything off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, I did my face makeup and put my lashes on and everything, and I did want to tell you that the lashes I'm wearing today are Lunar Angel lashes, and they're in the style Base Babe. And these ones are like super, super long, but I love it because I kind of want to look that extra today because of my eyeshadow is that extra, you know. I do have a code for 15% off of Lunar Angel lashes, so if you'd like 15% off of lashes, just click the link in the description below. Thanks! Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I absolutely love this look. I love rainbow looks. I always do rainbow looks. I just love them so much. I think that they look so fabulous. And yeah, I'm just absolutely living for this look right now. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.